seems like I can get the bottom one in okay, but the top one just won't fit past this. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna try to get the grill attached a little bit more. I did bring the bed, or not the bed, but the seat. So we'll try to put the bench seat in. It's in terrible shape, but it's really bad. And if we get the seat in, then we might try to hang the door too. But we're gonna mess with the front end a little bit tonight and move to the bench and the door, hopefully. Another thing too is my other channel is not any, well, it's not the best pinstripe by any means, but you can't really see it, but I got a lot of practice to do. But this video will be up in a couple weeks. I got a couple of them up now. Once I get a few more uploaded, then I'll share the link down below. But I'm starting to really like pinstriping. I don't need to practice a lot, but that's what the other channel's for. I was excited about that. It's the best I've done since I started. So, and another thing too is hopefully tomorrow I'll have a new hat. It'll have my logo and everything on it that I'm going to start wearing. I don't know if I'll wear out here very much since the back here is white. I don't want to get dirty right off the bat, but I'll show you what I'm thinking about doing hat wise. Anyways, I'm gonna set you on the truck, so let's head over there and get to work. All right, the grill is in there pretty secure. This is really secure. I had to lift up on this fender in order to get this to fit right. Also had to use the vice grips right in here and kind of pull out because that's been pushed in a little bit. But I think it went together better than I thought. About to grab those, and don't think you can call them seats anymore, but we'll grab those and throw them in here. Just place them in there and call it good. Then I'm going to try to hang this door the best I can. Okay, these aren't rusted in yet, so that's good. Anywho, you take that out. That's that top trim piece, and that's the bottom piece to the seat over there. But I'm gonna set you back over here and start putting the seat and hanging the door. I'm having a hard time, as you probably can tell. Seems like I can get the bottom one in okay, but the top one just won't fit past this. And I think I took them out, opened. I just don't know how to put it back in. If worst comes to worst, could take these off, undo that panel down there and take those off that. Just get the hinges in there and stab the door on it. But I'd really like to get those in there. I mean, it seems like it fit. I just don't know how to make it fit. Keeps hitting around this edge. When I put it in there like that, it won't go past that. Try to do it closed and still can't do it. I don't know. Let me try a few more times off camera and see if I can't get it. But I may just have to scrap this idea for tonight. So I'm gonna try a couple more times. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of had successful at the front and unsuccessful at the door. That bottom hinge will fit in there just fine. I had it in there. So that top hinge is just catching just a little bit on the edge. So I don't know if I need to maybe knock some of that off nor slip it back in there. I tried taking the actual hinge out of the door and I can't get it out of the door. So I'll just put the bolts back in it. I think I'm gonna take my angle grinder and kind of sand off that on that flat spot of the hinge, because that's where I think it's supposed to be at a certain angle, and then it'll slip in there. Then when it's in there, it'll turn, and you know, it'd be secure in there, especially with 3 bolts. I think I had the right angle. I think it's just too much rust build up or something. I don't know, but we'll trim just a little bit of that off and see if we can't re-stick it. Next time we get the door hung, hopefully, and I may see if I can have Buddy come over and help me get the hood. It's back in the barn, and it does have the hood hinges on it, so that's good. Might get that next time I put it on there. Put that little piece of trim across the grill, and I still can't find these pieces for the bed. So I'm gonna try to source some of those. I think there's a guy here locally that has some parts to this era truck. Might see how much he wants for a fender and that piece there. But anyways, if I can get somebody to help me with the hood, I think we can be out of this in by next week. If it's not out here by next week, I think I'm gonna go back to the Bronco, because I do want to get back to that here pretty quick. So we'll work on this next time. Next videos may be on the Bronco. It'd be kind of cramped over there, but I think we can still do some stuff with the kick panel. I think I need to trim out pieces, and I'll show you what I'm talking about next time, or when we get to the Bronco. Anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Car related now, not necessarily one certain car. We do need to take the battery out of the Camaro and put it in the Healy, and at least turn the engine over in the Healy. And we need to start the Camaro too. It's starting to be nicer weather, so maybe I get my oldest with me and we can drive them down the road again. But anyways, all that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.